That's so brilliant! This video is sponsored by Photrus. And when we break that down, for more than 35 years, my biggest obsession was capturing the perfect light. Now, for the past 18 months, my biggest struggle was just getting out of bed. I lost my business, I lost my health, and the freedom to shoot whenever I want and as often I want. But I didn't lose one thing, and that is my vision. And today, the master plan begins. My friends, and you have no idea how incredibly good it feels to finally say that again. It's very nice to see you. Okay, in case you're new to my channel, I'm Christian, I'm a landscape photographer, and just 2 years ago I was in such a comfortable situation actually. I was simply able to go out with my camera whenever I wanted and as often as I wanted. I lived the photographic dream actually. But then everything crashed. Yeah, it's more than a year ago or so. I was in constant pain, worse than any root canal treatment really, without even the option for pain relievers. And the doctor looked at me and said, Christian, you need to find a way to live with all that, because that will probably never go away. But honestly, I refused to accept that, and I refused to give up my vision. Which brings us to today and the reason why I'm sitting here in my office right now. Yeah, I'm still not able to go out for photography, I'm still not able even to carry a backpack, I have to say. But in my last video, where I said goodbye temporarily because of my illness, I mentioned that whenever I would get healthy again, I want to take the strongest photograph of my lifetime, my life work if you want. And today is the day when I'm going to set the first step. The second one actually, because the first one was getting healthy again. Yeah, that was the most difficult part, I have to say. And now I'm going to set up not my camera, but I'm going to set up myself to take the strongest photograph of my life. A world-class photo, a masterpiece. Because I realized one thing. If you want true photographic freedom, you have to bring yourself into setup first. Physically, mentally, and financially. Before you bring your camera into setup. So, to do that, I need to fulfill a couple of requirements. First of all, I'm still not able to carry my backpack. Yeah, that's definitely not the best property for a landscape photographer, right? But it's not the biggest deal in the world, I have to say, because it's just because my muscles have decreased, because I didn't move all too much when I was ill, obviously. I just need to strengthen them again. But my biggest problem here is, as parts of my tissue were damaged, and it's still a little bit vulnerable, I'm not allowed to sweat right now, because that would lead to a backslide. And I definitely want to avoid that, really, I can't tell you. So I need some more time to prepare my body to be able to go out for photography again. But it's not only a health issue. I almost overcame that already. I think it's probably just a thing of a few weeks or so. No, I lost something else, and that is a nightmare, I have to say. 26 years ago, I started my IT and marketing company, and I was able to make quite a good living from that. So I had a good customer base, and so I never had to care about jobs or tasks or so. The clients just reached out to me, I made a quick offer, and then I started working, and I made money. That worked fantastically in symbiosis with my beloved landscape photography. But unfortunately, due to my illness, I lost my biggest client. Because I was simply not able to work anymore. So they went to other companies. They were satisfied with my work, so it had have hurt their businesses to wait for me getting healthy again, and I even didn't know if I would ever get healthy again. And although I'm already almost healthy again, they don't return to me because it's a big deal for them to change software developers or server infrastructure for complex solutions. You just do that when it's really necessary. So I'm healthy again, but I've lost my main income. And that's definitely not funny, I have to say, but also that is nothing that will keep me away from working on the best photo of my life. It just makes it a little bit more complicated because I can't invest as much time into my photography for a while as it was possible in the past. And this brings me to the most important advice I can give you today if you want true freedom in landscape photography to go out for photography whenever you want and as often as you want. Don't just plan your photos, plan your time and bring yourself into setup. For me personally, that means working on my fitness and rebuilding my income. For you, this could mean clearing your work schedule, for instance, saving for a new lens, learning how to find compositions in theory, or overcoming the fear of bad weather, or simply organizing your life so you can chase the light whenever you want and as often you want, without feeling guilty. And that is what matters, right? Living the photographic dream. And quite interesting, by the way, being trapped in bed for such a long time actually gave me one huge advantage. I had a lot of time to think and a lot of time to plan. So behind the scenes, I'm already working on several really interesting projects to rebuild my businesses. And I'm going to introduce some of them, the photography related ones obviously, to you step by step in my upcoming videos over the next months. So there's a lot of really exciting stuff just waiting for you. There are really some things I never thought about, I have to say. Things that make us better photographers. I think most of us focus on the completely wrong things actually. And it's time to make a change. Fine art photography is not only bringing your camera into setup. It's not only just looking for anything beautiful and making a click. Fine art photography is all about telling a story and bringing a part of yourself into your artwork. And in order to do so, you need to bring yourself into setup first. And this is what I'm doing right now. It's a process, so I think the upcoming videos over the next months will get quite interesting. Fingers crossed that I will be able to record as many videos as possible. Time is my biggest enemy, I have to say. My plan is definitely to upload videos here on YouTube on a regular basis again, and I want to be honest here with you. Right now, that's impossible, because time doesn't allow me. But I'm working also on that. So the time will definitely come when I will be able to upload a video once a week. I think the most important thing will be here to use automatisms as much as possible, so that I can work as time efficient as possible. And I use Photrus. That's a big game changer for landscape photographers, but especially for my situation, as I don't have all too much time. And in case you're new here and you don't know what Photrus is, that's a weather alert system for landscape photographers. It simply sends me alerts about stunning photography weather at my dream locations. So I don't have to plan the weather anymore. Photrus does that completely for me, which is a huge time saver for me, and I can focus on the really important parts of landscape photography. I can't wait to head out with my camera again. And by the way, exactly for Photrus, I'm currently testing some completely new and fascinating weather phenomena. And some of them are even crazy, I have to say, but more about that in one of my next videos. So it's definitely hard, but it's nothing compared with that what I achieved already with getting healthy. So if you are able to carry a backpack right now, you are already much closer than me to getting your personal best photograph of your life. So if you want, I invite you here now to go the next steps together with me here on my channel. Let's go that path together. And the first step you can do right now is to save time and to focus purely on your photography, is to let automatism also work for you. So if you want to know exactly how Photrus can help you here to be in the right place at the right time all the time, I made a full video about that and I will link it here for you. My friends, I hope you enjoyed this little comeback video. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you right over there, or next time guaranteed, and hopefully outside with my camera again. Bye.